Hi, in front of me I have FITBIT Ionic, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the sleep mode on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply press the button on the left side of your device, like this. Then we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel, and swipe down from the top of the screen again to open this menu. And in this menu, we need to tap on the icon on the right here, to open the quick settings, like this. And here we have this icon of the moon. That's the sleep mode icon. To enable it, simply tap on it, like this. And to disable it, simply tap on it again. What the sleep mode does is basically it dimmers the screen. It makes the screen dimmer, and also silences the calls and alerts on your watch. Okay, we can also enable this mode through the settings. So let's go back to the watch face, swipe left on the screen to open the menu, then swipe left on the screen again to go to the next page. And here we have settings icon. Tap on the settings icon to enter the settings, and in settings scroll down, and we have a sleep mode option right here. Tap on it, and we can enable it by tapping on sleep mode right here and disable it like this. And we can also make a schedule for it, basically. So scroll down, tap on schedule to enable it, like this. And now tap on customize to customize the hours for your schedule. We have the starting hour and ending hour. Basically, we can set up when the sleep mode should turn on automatically and turn off automatically. Let's tap on starts. And here we can set the hours by swiping up and down on the hours, like this, then minutes, like that, and finally we can select AM or PM. And once you're done, press the button on the left to go back. Now let's tap on ends, do the same for hours, minutes, minutes, and AM and PM. And once you're done, press the left, like this. Now let's press the left button again, and now we have a schedule for our sleep mode. As you can see, the screen already got dimmer because it's enabled. Let's disable the auto schedule and disable the sleep mode, like this, and the screen is back to normal. And that's how you basically enable the sleep mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.